Want to fast charge or wireless charge on your Samsung phone with super fast charging option? Well, no need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on super fast charging mode on your phone for normal and wireless charging. So let's get started. First of all, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit, tap on battery. After that, scroll down again, tap on charging settings. Here, you can see the fast charging mode. Simply turn it on. If you can find this option, or if you want to boost your wireless charging speed here, then open Play Store, type Activity Launcher, install it, tap Open, tap OK, tap Search icon. Type charging speed or boost, tap Fast Wireless Charging. Turn this on. So guys, this is how you can turn on the super fast charging mode on your Samsung phone. If you have any queries, leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in.